and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying out this Pretty Divas dip powder. It is their Go for Classy collection. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up really quick of the colors. And they don't have names, but this first one is like a white pearlescent kind of color, and it was really pretty. I actually used this one in today's set along with one of the other ones, but look how pretty that is. The next color we have is this really pretty glitter. I really love the purple specks in it. This is also one of the ones that I'm going to be using today. And our last one is another glitter color, which was really pretty. It's like a pink and it has like some silver specks, which you guys will see here. That was really pretty as well. So I will be trying to use that one in a future video as well because I really love that color. So as I said, I did go ahead and choose the glitter with the purple in it and then the white pearlescent one. And these are some flowers I got off of Amazon. It also came with the white little picker to go ahead and pick them up. Also using some butterfly stickers. I'm not sure exactly where I got these from, but I will try to find the information and link it below, and some rhinestones. So today I'm going to do just some quick prep for you guys because I never actually do prep. I did not apply the primer to keep these on because I do not plan on keeping them on. So I started my prep with clipping my nails because it's been a while and my nails were long and they really needed some care. So I'm going to go ahead and clip those off. Next, I go in with the kind of pointy end of my cuticle pusher and I just go around my cuticle area to kind of get some of that stuff up. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the other end to go ahead and push those cuticles back. Next, I went in with this cuticle cutter and just went ahead and went around those cuticles and got all of that extra dead skin off. And I like kind of using this one better because I feel a little bit more comfortable cutting around my cuticles with it versus like the cuticle scissors or the cuticle nippers. But that's just me, so you can use either or. And yeah, my nails are just a complete mess, like ew. But yeah, we got them together in the end though. Okay, and they're looking a lot more clean. Next, I'm just going to go in and just kind of reshape them just a bit from cutting them down. After that, I do go in with the Just Love nail drill. I did do a review kind of over this in my last video, so if you have not already, go check that out. I mainly went around the cuticle area again just to make sure they were nice and clean. So I went in with this cuticle bit, and then I did go in with the ballpoint one as well after this just to make sure everything was okay. And I did use this only on like, I think 3 RPMs, and then I did turn it down to like 1 or 2 with the other one. And if you are still here and made it this far into the video, I would just like to say thank you for clicking on my video. If you have not already, go ahead and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. I would really appreciate it. Also, leave me some comments down below what you guys think. And I also want to say happy Easter to everyone. Go ahead and let me know if you guys have any plans or what you guys have on the agenda for today. After cleaning those off, I am going to go in with my extra long tips from Not Polished that I just received, and I'm going to use this extend gel to go ahead and apply those. I did go for a shorter set today with the dip powder, and now we're going to go ahead and get into the application. You will need some base coat and activator. This kit did not come with any, but I did have some. So for the dip powder, I'm just going to apply a layer of that base coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger into the white dip powder kind of at an angle. And I did apply this to all of my nails except for the ring finger, so I will let you guys go ahead and watch that process because it is pretty straightforward. And I did do 3 layers of each just to kind of build up that color and make sure I was getting the color and the pigment that I wanted. And I had no problems at all with this dip powder. It was really easy to use, and I really love the colors. They were very vibrant and pigmented. Like I said, you will need a couple coats just to build it up, but besides that, I had no problems with it at all. And I will leave all the information linked down below for this kit. I did only show the first 2 layers, but now I'm going in and doing my ring finger, which, like I said, I did do 3 coats of this as well, and I'm only going to show about 2 of those. Once I get all the layers on, I did reshape and foul and buff off camera, and then I'm going to go straight in with my butterfly stickers and apply those to all of the white nails. And I did go ahead and apply the purple butterflies because with the glitter, with the little purple pieces, it just really looked really pretty together at the end. It just brought it all together and it really complemented each other. And after we apply those butterflies, I did go in with these flowers that I got off of Amazon, and they did change colors, which you guys will see, but they did turn back eventually. So here's how they're looking, and then I'm going to go ahead and just add some cuticle bling around all of my white nails, and that was pretty much it for this set. It was a super quick and easy set to do. It turned out really pretty. I really love the glitters, the flowers with the butterflies, that pearlescent white dip powder. It was just really pretty. And this is how they are looking after I applied my cuticle bling. I am going to go in with some cuticle oil to rehydrate those cuticles. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a quick little video today. I will leave the information for this dip powder down below. I really do love it. I love the colors in it. Super easy to use. And yes, if you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave me a comment down below. Once again, happy Easter to everyone, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one.